Meet Bonnie, 2 months old, and already bursting with personality, tiny paws, fearless spirit, and a tail that never stops wagging. Bonnie has officially arrived at Off-Leash K9, training for her 10-day puppy board and train, where the foundation for a great life begins. We're focusing on the essentials: calm kennel manners, confident socialization, and the building blocks every great dog needs. Sit, place, come. Simple commands today, big confidence for tomorrow. She's feisty, she's playful, and she absolutely adores children. Over the next 10 days, that puppy energy will be shaped into focus, structure, and trust without losing the joy that makes Bonnie who she is. This is just the beginning. 10 days of learning, and one very special puppy named Bonnie.